Hello everyone. So now in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can download and install Wireshark software on your Windows PC. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Google browser and now enter here Wireshark and press enter. So now it will take you to the official website of Wireshark. So now you need to click on this download icon. And now here you can see that there are a lot of options available for us to download it. You can download it for Ubuntu, Mac and Windows. So obviously I'm going to install it on my Windows PC, so I will go with this Windows 64-bit installer. So if you have the 64-bit operating system, so in that case you need to click on this Windows 64-bit installer. So when I click on it, it will start downloading it. So I'm not going to download it again because I have already downloaded this software. So I will just pause it here and cross it, and I will go to the folder where my Wireshark has already been downloaded. So now here you can see that my Wireshark software has been downloaded. So what you need to do is just double click on it and it will take you to the installation guide. Okay, so double click on it and it will ask you to allow changes. So I will just click on yes. So now this is the installation setups of Wireshark. So I'm going to click on this next. Now this is the license agreement, so you need to accept it in order to use Wireshark. Okay, so I will click on this noted and then I will click on next. So now it will ask you to select the components which you need to install. So I will use Wireshark and T-Shark. Okay, so you don't need to check extra icons. If you really want to use that features as well, you can also check those as well. So now just click on next and it will start installing the Wireshark on your PC. This is the location where your software will install. So now here you can see that our software has been installing in our PC. So you just need to wait here until it's installed on your PC. So now here you can see that our installation has been completed. So we will just need to click on this next, and now we click on finish and our Wireshark has been installed. So this is the icon of Wireshark. So when you click on it, it will start the main interface of the Wireshark. You will see it here. So you can enter here capture the traffic, whatever the traffic you want to capture, you just enter it here, or apply a display filter or whatever you want to do with this software. Okay, so that's how you can install and download Wireshark to capture network traffic. So that's all. Hope you have enjoyed the video. See you soon in the next video.